Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Trisha. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Today I wanted to share this pretty 5-glass vase holder that I made, and the best part is it's simple to do and inexpensive. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, just keep watching. For this project I used two Dollar Tree picture frames. These are 15 by 8 inches wide. So first I'm going to remove all the contents inside the frames. And then I'm going to use my needle nose pliers to wiggle the tabs out on the back. I decided I wanted this piece to be gold, so I'm going to spray it with a gold metallic spray paint and set it aside to dry. I painted the front and the back. Next, I took a couple of tower game blocks from Dollar Tree and painted them with a black craft paint first. After the craft paint dried, it really didn't take that long. I spray painted the blocks in gold. To be exact, I used 9 blocks for this project. Next, I placed one of the frames up against something that would keep it up straight. Then I took one of the blocks, added E6000 on one edge, then a little bit of hot glue to the other side to keep it in place until the E6000 cured. I placed a block on each edge of the frame. Next, I placed the other blocks where I wanted them to be, and afterwards I glued each of them down to the frame. So before you glue it down, you want to make sure you know exactly where you want it, so that's why I did that. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue in the corners of the frame. Then place the glass inside. Next, I'm going to run a continuous stream of hot glue on the inside of the frame. This will keep the glass in place. Then I'm going to repeat the same process on the other frame. Now I'm going to add a block to the top side of one of the frames. Next, I place hot glue on the top of each block. Then attached it to the other frame. I found these small cylinder vases at Target for only $1.99, so I grabbed 5 and placed them on top of each block. I could have glued the vases down, but I wanted to be able to take them out and clean them as needed. And that's it, guys. It's really that simple. Is this something you want to make? How would you do it? Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Trisha on Instagram and at I'm Trisha JA on Facebook.